Yee Yee Yee. Yeah, I got my Yee Yee truck in the parking lot. I'm gonna honk 'cause of my small cock. Got my Yee Yee truck in the parking lot. I'm gonna honk 'cause of my small cock. Got the big flags in the back, Confederate at that. Drinking lots of Jack, got the chewing dip to match. I don't own a horse, yeah, my truck is my Porsche. I live in the city, but trust me, I'm a cowboy. I am overcompensated, overcompensated. I am overcompensated, overcompensated. Fucking in a tractor, hiding my small bladder. Cheated on my cousin, you can go and ask her. My life is a big joke, brain the size of egg yolk. But I'm just an old bloke, talking like a slowpoke. I am overcompensated, overcompensated. I am overcompensated, overcompensated. Yeah, I got my Yee Yee truck in the parking lot. I'm gonna honk 'cause of my small cock. Got my Yee Yee truck in the parking lot. I'm gonna honk 'cause of my small cock. Hat big small cock, shooting me a young buck. Spent all of my money on this big Yee Yee truck. Kicking lots of cow shit, working in my cowboy suit. Riding down rodeo in my crab covered boots. I got no teeth, I've chewed through that like a stereotype, but I can't see that. Gonna get my truck to the parking lot. I wanna honk 'cause of my small cock. Got my Yee Yee truck in the parking lot. I'm gonna honk 'cause of my small cock. Got my Yee Yee truck in the parking lot. I'm gonna honk 'cause of my small cock.